Hi, Waukegan. I'm Nicholas Haladzakis, Director of Communications for Waukegan Schools, and this is 60 and 60 for the week of October 31st. This week, we have reminders about days off, an update about Waukegan High School's upcoming play, information about Guest Principal Day, and more. First off, we want to remind families that our district will be closed on Tuesday, November 8th for Election Day. This change was made to our calendar last year. We hope you will use this time as an opportunity to get out and vote. For a full list of voting sites, visit the Lake County Clerk's website. We have an important announcement regarding this weekend's premiere of Waukegan High School's production of Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. Friday's performance has been canceled, but families can still catch the show on Saturday, November 5th at 7 p.m. as well as a matinee performance on Sunday, November 6th at 2 p.m. Both performances will take place in the Trapp Auditorium of Waukegan High School's Brookside campus, and tickets are $5 in advance or $7 at the door. Next week, our district schools are going to see a brief shakeup in leadership during our annual Guest Principal Day. As part of the annual event, a variety of local leaders will experience a day as a Waukegan Public Schools principal. This year's event is set to take place on Thursday, November 10th. Each of our guest principals will be assigned to one of our schools where they will learn more about the school and its students. Each school has special welcoming activities planned for the guest principals, including meetings with staff and students, classroom activities, building tours, and more. Good luck to our guest principals. November is Native American Heritage Month, and our district is excited to take part in this annual observance of Native American culture and history. Parents can contact their child's school or teacher for information on activities or lessons about the rich history of Native people both locally and across the nation. And finally, next Friday, November 11th, District 60 will be closed in observance of Veterans Day. Schools and offices will reopen on Monday, November 14th. That's all for this week. Thanks for watching, and be sure to tune in each week for all the news and events happening in Waukegan Public Schools.